Hello everyone, Namaskara. Illarigu Yashaswikannadavaani YouTube channel ge swagata. Welcome everyone to Yashaswikannadavaani YouTube channel. This is our 7th lesson. Last lesson alli it was more about the hotel. So we spoke about the hotel. Hotel alli yav tara order ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಅಂತ, okay na? So this lesson it is completely about the delivery. So now we have some delivery to receive and how to guide that delivery person, that courier person. Yav tara nan guide ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ. That is what we are going to see in this lesson, okay na? So and last class if you had any questions, you might have, I asked you to leave it in the comments. Since I didn't receive any comment, so I'm coming here without any comments. I'll be taking those comments. If I receive any comments or any questions, any doubts, I'll take it in the next class, okay na? So we'll start with the today's lesson. Ivattina lesson 7, which is about the delivery or the courier. So first question, you will get a call from the delivery person. I'm sorry for the background noise. So he'll ask for the directions. Alva? Ma'am, where should I come? So immediately you will understand. Somehow we will understand. So let us not break that thing, what he's going to say. Adu beda ivaga. So what I am going to answer, that is what I am learning in this lesson. Okay, nan ಏನು answer ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, what should I answer, that is what we are learning. So my immediate question is, sir ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಾ, sir or madam, whatever. So sir or madam ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಾ. So already we have learned this ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಾ. Okay, ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಾ, where are you, ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಾ. Okay, then you will guide him somehow. You will ask him to come straight, right bunny, left bunny, straight bunny, backside ide, something. We will work on that in a separate class, okay? So don't worry, we will work on that. So now I'll say, please come little front. Please come little front. So that right and left is easy for you. Right bunny, left bunny, straight bunny, it's easy for you, alva? So I'm just, because of that reason, I'm excluding that. So I'll say, please come front, little front. Come little front. Swalpa, we already know. Swalpa, front, munde. Swalpa munde banni. Swalpa munde banni. If the person is too front and your house is somewhere behind, then how do you ask? Please swalpa hinde. Hinde, backwards. Hinde banni. Munde is a front, hinde is a back. Munde, hinde. We use this in a metro or bus. Swalpa munde hogi, please go little front. Swalpa hinde hogi, please go little backwards. Okay na? Munde hogi, hinde hogi. There is one famous song, Kamal Hassan song actually, Kannadadallide. I hope you might have listened. Illa, chance illa. So the song is Munde Banni, Innu Munde Banni. Just play Madi. Just you can listen to this song. It's a beautiful song. Okay. So fine. Let's come back to this. So Munde Banni. Please come front. Please Hinde Banni. Swalpa Hinde Banni. Next I will say, I'm standing outside. I'm standing outside. I'm standing outside. Nan ಹೊರಗೆ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. So here instead of idini, I'm sorry for the background, I can say I'm standing. So that standing word is little complicated, but even though I'll write it down, if you can remember it, use it. Illa andre simply can go with this. Okay, ನಾನು ಹೊರಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಹೊರಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. You can also release this, exclude this gay sounding. ಹೊರಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ನಾನು ಹೊರಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. or ನಾನು ಹೊರಗೆ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಹೊರಗೆ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. I'm standing outside is ನಿಂತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Okay na? Clear? Fine. So now you will say you're not at home. Okay? So ನಾನು ಮನೇಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಮನೇಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನಾನ್ ಮನೇಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. I'm not at home. ನಾನ್ ಮನೇಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. So now the next thing is, so you should ask, please keep it there somewhere. Please keep it near the gate. Please keep it near the door. Please hand it over to security. Please hand it over to some person, or please come please go to the next floor. Either I'll go with the random sentences. So I have chosen a simple one here. So I would say, please keep it near the door, or please keep it there. Please keep it there. First one. Okay, I'll erase this one. One nimsha. Okay, so now till here I hope you have written. So I'll erase this complete part. Ivaga, since I'm not at home, I am guiding the delivery person or the courier person to keep it somewhere so that I can collect it later. Alva? So the first thing is, please keep it there. Please keep it there. Please alle idi. Keep it there itself. Keep it there itself. Keep it there andre alli barate. Please alli idi. Please alli idi. Alli is there. So here, there itself. Please keep it there itself. Please alle idi. Okay? Please alle idi. Now you are saying the next one is, please keep it near the gate, or please keep it near the door. So please near. So gate hatra, or door hatra idi. Idi, keep it. Please door hatra idi. Please gate hatra idi. Now you are saying, please give it to security. Please give it to security. Please security ge kodi. Or we'll make it much simple. I can also say security hatra kodi. I can again use hatra. There is no problem here. Okay? Gate hatra idi. Keep it near the gate. Give it to the security. Security hatra kodi. I can also use hatra here. So instead of saying security ge kodi, security hatra kodi. Please hand it over to the security. Security hatra kodi. Clear? So these are the different sentences that I will use it to convey to the delivery person or the courier person. If you have any other sentences, please do let me know in the comment section what you would say. So nimma bere enadu sentence idya. So if you can translate it to Kannada, translate maadi, or else you can just type it in English and let me know in the comment section. Okay, now as I already told in the beginning, I'll take all your comments, question, doubts, answers, everything in one separate video, and we will try to work on that one. Okay na, so that will be much more helpful for you. Okay, so please don't forget, don't leave this chance, don't miss this opportunity to leave the comments. So comments tagoli, comment maadi, because your comments will be answered in the class. So if not the immediate class, it will be answered soon. Okay na, so don't forget to comment ಮಾಡಿ ತುಂಬಾ important. So this is our 7th lesson, which was about the delivery. This is a basic thing that we have covered. We have not gone into the deeper actually. So practice ಮಾಡಿ, doubt idre, questions idre, any suggestions, please let me know in the comment section. Do not forget to share this video with your friend who is struggling to learn Kannada, who is interested to learn Kannada. Also, you have a link for the spoken Kannada lessons where the entire grammar is explained completely. And also, the ebook is launched from Yashaswikannadavaani for the spoken Kannada learners, the part 1. I leave the link here as well as in the description box. Please go through the link. Check the sample copy. If you are interested, then you can purchase the book. So I'll see you everyone in the 8th lesson, where we will try to learn a little bit more about this delivery thing itself. Okay, so try to leave the comments. So your comments will be really helpful for the next lesson. Okay na? So see you everyone in the 8th lesson. Thank you so much. Namaskara.